Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're clicking on my channel, welcome. I am Akende, and today I am bringing you a review on some eyeshadows that I got from Juvias Place. I got 3 eyeshadows. 2 of them came in a bundle and 1 of them was alone. So the Saharan and the Saharan 2 and the Zulu were a set, and they retailed for $26. This one came alone. It wasn't a set. It retailed for, I have to put it, the Afrique palette retailed for $14. Yeah. And I got a liquid matte lipstick called Lulu. Focus. Okay, Lulu. And this one retailed for $8.40. Then I got a loose highlighter, this one retailed for $10. Yeah. So today I'll be doing a review on one of them, on one of these palettes. This is the first time I just opened them now. I've been sitting in my room for like a month and a half, so I was like, let me do a review. So today I will have to, I haven't opened them. So when I open them, this is how the Afrique palette looks like. The one for $14. This one. How cute. Yeah. Open it. These are the shades that come with it. I'll do some swatches. I will set the photo. And I think they're very nice. Okay. The next one is the Saharan the Saharan 2 by Juvias Place. This is how it looks like when you open it. When you open it up, this is it inside. Yeah. And the last one, the Zulu palette. This is how it looks like when you open it up. This is it. This is how it looks like. One is the one I'll be doing a review on today, the Saharan 2. Okay, and let me get right into it. Okay, I used this eye primer. It's called Freedom by Revolution Makeup. So I'm going right into the video. The first shade I will use in this palette will be this one. I'll use this one as a transition color. So let me get right into it. Where is the mirror? Where's the mirror?
When you pull over, you come to watch out, put your finger on, I'm going to Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, forever nice to meet ya. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, forever nice to see ya. Yada, 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 forever nice to see ya. Yada, 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 hey, yada, yada.
You drive me crazy. Hey, catch the soul, elevate the soul, make me wanna lose it, baby. Hey, I wanna hold you tight, do everything, make you feel alright. Finger food, when I'm with you, make you feel alright. Hey, when you pull over, you come to watch out, put your finger on, I'm going to Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, forever nice to meet ya. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, forever nice to see ya. Yada, 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 forever nice to see ya. Yada, 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 yada.
This one's for my baby girl, yeah.
On the day I met want you, I know you my type. Your body, baby, is something I like. When you show some pepper when you all over me. Body so hot, turn 100 degrees. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa.
Okay, this is the final look, but I'm not yet done. I haven't used a highlighter and I haven't done my lips. The highlighter I'm going to use is this loose highlighter from Juvias Place. I got it with these palettes as well. This one retailed for $10, and I'm going to use the matte liquid lipstick, the Lulu. Yeah, Lulu. It's called Lulu. This retailed for $8.50, and yeah, so I'm going to first start with the loose highlighter. I think when I got it at the beginning, I thought it was my shade, but I think this is actually slightly lighter than my shade, but we're still going to use it. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It's in the shade okay, there's no shade. I just know it's light, it's very light. So
girl, it's really nice to know ya. Say I want you, I need you. When you pull over, you come to watch out, put your finger on, I'm going to Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Forever nice to meet ya. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Forever nice to see ya.
I'm going to use this fixing spray from Revolution Makeup to set the entire face. Okay. My final thoughts on the Saharan palette. I had to wait for like 15 minutes for the makeup to sink in because I used this setting spray and it actually makes your face glow, and it was really glowing silver, so I was just like, I don't want that to show on camera, so I had to come back after like 15 minutes. So I think, let me start with the eyeshadow. I think the eyeshadow is beautiful. It might be a little bit over pigmented, but that's not a problem because I'm not used to very pigmented makeup. So when I put it on, just like, I was like, wow, especially the maroon, I was just like, wow, that's a lot. I put a lot, but a little goes a long way. So that's the first thing you should do, and make sure you blend it. Blend. If you want your makeup to be flawless, blend it. Yeah. So the shimmer was beautiful. The colors were, the matte colors were beautiful as well. The highlighter is slightly light for my skin tone. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's slightly light for my skin tone. It's slightly lighter than my skin tone, but it's beautiful. It melts into the skin after you use the setting spray. The matte lipstick, guys, I can't feel anything on my lips right now. It's so beautiful. I can't get over it. It's been on for 15 minutes and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So everything that I got so far, I like. This will be a series, like I said at the beginning, and yeah, so the next one I'll review. I'll let you know when it's time for me to review the next eye look. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you're new, guys, subscribe. There'll be more lit content coming to this channel. I'm so happy, and I think I'm at the time where I want my channel, like, I'll be uploading more on my channel. So thank you guys so much, so much. God bless. Bye.